It seems that even the people who created artificial intelligence are now worried about it. That is why OpenAI has come up with new initiative called as SuperAlignment. In very simple words, SuperAlignment means to control artificial intelligence in the future. People are worried about their jobs, people are worried about their livelihoods, people are worried about the future in overall general sense because this new tools from general artificial intelligence can not only replace the jobs but they're also going to disrupt the way we interact. They are poised to hijack the operating system of the humanity, which is language. That is why OpenAI is building the foundation for this new concept called as super alignment, which will be used as a framework to control this onslaught of general artificial intelligence. Now, the way they are going to do it is that OpenAI is going to concentrate on creating a training strategy that scales well. They have even formed a team around it. This method will be essential in teaching AI systems to do activities that are difficult for humans to assess. The second step would be to validate the resulting model. So, after this training, the alignment researcher's efficacy will be evaluated to make sure that the model is in line with human intentions and functions as planned. OpenAI will put it through rigorous testing. Final test will be to stress test the alignment pipeline. OpenAI is going to put its alignment pipeline through extensive stress tests to make sure it is durable. By putting their systems through difficult situations, they may find any possible flaws and fix them. Now, OpenAI is not the only one who is taking these steps. Google's DeepMind has already done that last year in a paper where they came up with some super alignment in the face of super intelligence. And I'm more than sure that governments are also making some of the regulations. But I believe that instead of waiting and going slow on it, they should really go fast and come up with some sort of framework. Because as exciting as it sounds, I believe that this new Gen AI is no less harmful than the nuclear technology. There are lots of benefits of nuclear technology too, but still it is banned and not everyone can attain it. And I believe we should treat super intelligence with the same view. I'm very keen to hear your thoughts on it. Please put them in the comment section and thanks for listening.